Alright you guys, so I just wanted to post a video of me doing my hair. I was bored, and my wigs that I'm doing reviews on aren't here yet, so I decided just to record me doing this side part swoop with the curly at the bottom. This is a lace front wig. Of course, this wig is from ISEEHAIR. I was kind of iffy on where I was going with it. I wanted to do a top bun, but I just really wasn't feeling it, so I decided to do like a ponytail, a side ponytail with the side part and the swoop bang instead, because it just looks really cute and it's out of my comfort zone, so I decided to do it. So this wig is from ISEEHAIR. It is a 13x6 water wave frontal unit. It is a 20-inch and it also is Mongolian. I will leave the original review on this down below so you can see that, of course. So yeah, this is pretty much it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.